Welcome back to the deep dive. This week, we're doing a crucial review of the biggest AI news and trends for the week, ending December 21st, 2025.
hmm
We've got a lot to cover, everything from some massive platform consolidation all the way to some pretty shocking failures in the hardware space.
Yeah, and what's really striking here is that AI isn't just about, making a funny image anymore. We're seeing this fundamental pivot.
A pivot to what?
It's moving from being just another app to becoming the actual infrastructure. It's the platform that new economies are, well, being built on top of.
Okay, let's unpack that. This idea of a platform shift. I think a good place to start is in the AI coding world.
Right.
Cursor, which is a big name in AI coding assistance, just acquired Graphite.
And Graphite is huge for its AI-driven code review. It's that last piece of the puzzle.
Exactly. It kind of closes the loop on that whole development workflow.
It's really less about adding one more feature and more about, controlling the entire vertical. Cursor is clearly building a full-stack offering here,
From writing the code to reviewing it.
all the way to deployment. And the price tag they paid, it was reportedly more than Graphite's last valuation, which was $290 million.
Wow.
That tells you just how much the market values a smooth end-to-end developer experience.
And that idea, that ecosystem control, it seems to be contagious because OpenAI just launched its ChatGPT App Store.
The gloves are definitely off now. This is a huge move.
So what does this App Store actually do?
Well, it transforms the chatbot into a real operating system. They're giving developers a new SDK, a software development kit, to build and sell their own apps.
And it's not just for small tools, right?
No, they're integrating giants. Think
Right.
Spotify, Apple Music, Canva. ChatGPT is becoming this indispensable utility layer for all your digital stuff.
Okay, so let's shift from these billion-dollar platforms to the human side of this, because AI is creating some incredibly high-paying jobs.
In some surprising areas.
We saw this story about an Indian expatriate in the UK earning about $18,000 per hour.
Which, for our listeners globally, is around 215 US dollars an hour.
That's incredible. And for what kind of work?
It's for really specialized things, like high-end prompt engineering and very careful data set labeling. The industry is just desperate for high-quality human guidance to train these models properly.
It feels like a very modern, futuristic job.
It does, but what's funny is the core idea. It connects back to something Google's co-founder Larry Page predicted almost 25 years ago.
Around the year 2000.
Yeah. He had this vision of machines that could really understand and assist with complex human tasks, go way beyond just fetching information.
And when you look at Google's portfolio now, with Gemini and their whole search backbone, it's pretty much the realization of that vision.
Absolutely. And that ambition is also leading to some very real, tangible benefits, like in health and safety.
You're talking about the new Google Gemini feature for spotting AI-generated content.
Exactly. It's a tool to help you check if a photo or a video is fake.
How important is that for the average person, really?
I'd say it's vital. With deepfake misinformation just running rampant, this tool gives you some transparency. It helps you understand what you're actually looking at.
It's about digital literacy, then.
A huge step for it, yeah. Distinguishing what's real from what's synthetic.
And on the topic of positive impact, AI is also making some major waves in cancer care over in India.
We're seeing some really concrete examples. AI is helping with early tumor detection in medical scans. It's predicting how patients might respond to treatments.
So it's streamlining the whole process.
It is. It's reducing delays and just boosting the quality of care.
Yeah.
The whole system gets safer and smarter.
Okay, but we have to contrast all this software success with what was, frankly, a brutal week for companies that make physical stuff.
It was a shocking run of bankruptcies. We saw
iRobot.
Roomba people
Roomba people, yeah.
and Luminar Technologies, a big name in LiDAR for self-driving cars, and even Rad Power Bikes, all filed for bankruptcy.
Why all at once?
They all cited similar systemic issues, tariff pressures, supply chain problems that just won't go away. The hard truth is that right now, all the big money is flowing into software and AI, not startups making physical products.
So wrapping this all up, what's the key takeaway for you this week?
I think the clearest signal is that AI is consolidating power into these huge software platforms, creating some very specific high-value human jobs along the way.
While the world of physical hardware is facing some serious headwinds.
Serious headwinds. And that leads to the final thought we want to leave you with as the year winds down.
Oh, what?
Given the collapse of these big hardware companies this week, does this massive, rapid investment into only software and AI, Does that create a new kind of market risk for any industry that still relies on making physical things? Or is this just a painful but necessary market correction?